Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to deep clean all 3 of the bathrooms. We're going to start with the one downstairs and then we're going to do both of the bathrooms upstairs as well. And I am so excited and so grateful. Today I am working with JAWS. They have refillable, reusable, non-toxic, eco-friendly cleaners, and these are the 3 that I decided to use. So I'm going to show you how to like refill it with water and everything, but first I want to go over all the products that I'm going to use to deep clean the bathroom. So I'm going to use the JAWS Shower Daily Cleaner. That's something that you can use daily, spray your shower and all of that. And then I'm also going to be using the JAWS Disinfectant Cleaner, because you know disinfectant is a good cleaner for like cleaning the bathrooms, just everywhere. You know, it's a good all-purpose spray. And then this is the JAWS Glass Cleaner. If you guys saw in my previous cleaning video, I was using this glass cleaner for all the windows and everything. Do you guys remember that video? Yeah, so let's go ahead and go over how we refill this. And I love how it's reusable. So the only things that you guys ever have to repurchase would be the refills that you put inside, and then it spreads into the water. It's so fun to see. I'm going to show you guys later, but I like that, you know, you don't ever have to throw this out. You know, it's reusable, so that is wonderful. So let's go over how to use these. So as you can see, it comes empty. So what you are going to do is just place tap water in here, and there's a line that tells you where to fill in the water, so don't go over that. So you filled it to that line, right? So now you just pop this in like this, the JAWS refill. This is the glass cleaner concentrate, right? This is so fun. This is my favorite part, you guys. And then you put this through right here. And then as you're closing it, the product disperses so quickly. Do you guys see that? Yes. And then, you know, you're good to go. You're ready to clean. Let me test it out. It's good to go. It's spraying beautifully. Alright you guys, I am ready to clean. I've got my cleaning gloves on. I've got stacks of microfiber cleansing cloths. I actually have more if I need more. But let's get started with the bathroom downstairs. Alright you guys, let's get started with this bathroom clean with me. So the first thing or the last thing I like to do is replace the towels. I feel like that's very important. It harbors germs. And then I'm using the JAWS Disinfectant Spray and I'm wiping down the sink with a microfiber cloth. And then here I am using the JAWS Glass Cleaner to shine the mirrors. And the glass cleaner is actually ammonia, alcohol, and streak free. And so it's safe for electronics too. All you have to do is spray it on a microfiber cloth and then you can use it on TVs, computers, your phones, and it's also great for windows. I did a clean with me and I used it for windows too. So here I'm using the JAWS Disinfectant Spray for doorknobs and also the lights as well. And I also used it to wipe down the tile because our tile goes all the way up into the wall. So it's great for that, and it's also great for Jakey's potty. We're almost gonna train him soon. And then I'm just wiping everything down. I'm getting down, cleaning under the sink, behind the walls, just really trying to disinfect everything and just wipe everything down. And by the way, I use multiple microfiber cloths. Like I don't just use one, I just keep switching them off. And then here I'm using the disinfectant spray too on the other side, and I'm also going to use it to clean the toilet because, you know, disinfectant and toilet, I think that just goes hand in hand, right? So here I am just wiping everything down. And then here I am going to just scrub that toilet nice and clean. Alright, I'm also going to clean that door. I just feel like that door has some stains on it, so I'm just wiping it down with the disinfectant spray. Alright, now I'm using the JAWS glass cleaner again, and I'm cleaning the shower because it's made out of glass. I'm cleaning the inside and the outside with the glass cleaner. And then I'm using the JAWS Daily Shower Cleaner, the purple one, and I am using that to wipe down the inside of the shower because it cleans the bathroom surfaces really well, like the showers. You can also use it for the tub, wiping down sinks and toilets as well. And now it is time to mop, my friends. I'm just using a mop with some method spray, and I am just mopping away. Alright, that one is done, my friends. That one was our smaller bathroom and the one that's never really used. And I went through all of this microfiber towel. And then the mop, you can actually switch the heads to make a nice clean one. And I'm going to use the mop again for upstairs, but with a new mop head. So here is our second bathroom. This is the one that the kids use because it's like a full-on bathtub. We only have one bathtub and 2 showers. So here I'm just wiping everything down with the JAWS Disinfectant Spray. And the first thing I did was open the window because I feel like it's really important to air out your house when you're cleaning. And here I am just cleaning the knobs, the cabinet, and everything. And now the kids' toys in the bathtub, I just gotta remove all of those toys before I start cleaning it out. That's a lot of toys, you guys. I need to kinda put less toys in there. And so here I'm using the JAWS Daily Shower Cleaner to clean the bathtub. So I'm just cleaning it by spraying it down, and then I'm using a microfiber cloth to wipe it down. And then after that, I like to use a little bit of soap and water, and I like to just place that onto the bathtub to kind of rinse everything out. Alright, now it's time to put all the toys back in its place. And here I am, I'm using the JAWS glass cleaner to shine the mirrors beautifully. And I'm wiping down the part of the wall that's made out of tile. Just, you never know what could splash on that wall, you know what I'm saying? So just wipe it down really well. And so I'm doing the same for the toilet, still using that disinfectant spray. That's like the most used spray that I've been using. I just feel like when you're in a bathroom, everything, you just want to disinfect, right? So here I am, just wiping everything down as always, and then I'm just gonna scrub that toilet really clean. Alright, now it's time to mop. And here we are in my bathroom, the one that I share with my husband. So the first thing I did was remove the dirty towels, the hand towels. We've had that for like a day or two. I like to switch it out regularly. And here I am just decluttering whatever is on the counter space. Like one day it's neat, and then the next day it's just cluttered again. So it just adds up, you know. So it's taken a while to, you know, just declutter everything. Alright, so here I am, I'm cleaning the mirrors, just shining them beautifully, and then I'm going to clean out Justin's too. Wipe it down really well. And now I can actually clean this space. I'm using the disinfectant spray to just wipe everything down. And now I'm just gonna continue to wipe everything down. I cleaned the sink as well, scrub that nice and clean, putting all the toiletries that I use often back into its place. I'm refilling the cotton swabs. Alright, so I just grabbed a little bit of that soap and I'm just scrubbing with a sponge scrubber, and I'm just using that to kind of really scrub the sink, because you know sometimes wiping with a microfiber cloth is just not enough, and so I also use water to just kind of rinse it out. And here at the toilet I am using the disinfectant spray to wipe that down. And then I'm gonna go scrub this toilet too. That bath mat I just put away because I'm gonna wash that. I'm just wiping down the floors, and this time around with a new microfiber cloth, I'm not gonna use the same one that I use for the toilet, you know what I mean? And then I'm cleaning the doorknobs again and just wiping every part of the wall that's still made out of like that tile. Scrubbing a little bit with that sponge. And I'm doing the same on the other side as well. And here I'm using the daily shower spray, and I am wiping every part of the shower down, and then I'm using microfiber cloths to wipe it down. I'm also doing that on the floor as well. Alright, now it's time to use the glass cleaner to clean and wipe down the glass part of the shower. Time to remove everything on the floor so that I can get to mopping again. And by the way, the mop slippers, I buy them on Amazon. I love them when I clean. I feel like I'm not all slippery, sliding everywhere with those. And now it's time to do laundry. These are all the different microfiber cloths, mop heads. Turn that on to sanitize, and I'm done. You guys, I am done. I got so sweaty, but I feel so good. All of my bathrooms are clean. Not clean, but they're clean. And you guys, JAWS is eco-friendly, and it's also safe for pets and children. So I really appreciate that, because I have 3 cats and 2 boys. Why did I mention my cats first? You guys know, because the cats get messier. Anyways, friends, if you guys want to try out some JAWS products, definitely do so. I have a promo code. It is April 15. It'll save you 15% off your entire order. Go to jawscleans.com and put that promo code, and yeah, you guys should definitely try it out. And I like that you can save space, you know, because all you have is this is reusable, refillable. All you have to do is just keep ordering the different refillable products. The one that I use the most, if you guys notice, is the disinfectant. I used it for everything, and then the shower cleaner, and then also the glass cleaner, because I use it to clean windows and everything. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed my cleaning videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!